Hello, welcome to Smart Data Special. In this episode, I would just like to thank you guys for um, listening to me, watching these videos from the beginning. If you haven't signed up or you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. These are my contacts. My name is Erica Mamba. You can reach me through WhatsApp or any other communication. You can give me a call. You can text me if you need anything to start with, but I'll be the main instructor. Have other instructors and other assistants. We are here to make sure that you guys are successful. So in this smart data special I created for you guys, and I went through basic things. The first thing is box application. This is collaborative tool I'll be using to share some notes, maybe for you guys to share your projects, your files among peers, and it's a good practice to use. To be honest, it's free. And let me go back here really quick. App.box.com. If you come here, I'm logged in. That's why. So I can just go to box.com. I want to show you guys that um, yeah, that's the platform. You can go here. I just want to show you guys that you can start using this. I'm going to pricing here, and you can see business. It does a cost, but if you go to individual and teams, really there is a free plan for you guys, and this is what you're gonna get. That's a lot. You can start saving your files today. You can use Box for your own stuff, really, or if you have class project, or even for work purposes, or sometimes just store your certificates there or important documents where you like to access wherever you go. That way, if you lose your computer, if you lose your device, or you use a mobile phone, you can still retrieve your information. I do have a lot of people say like, oh, I lost my computer, I forgot my computer at the airport, I was in a rush, and I need this information ASAP. I cannot find that information. I told them like, hey, you could have used Box, but we do have other online platform like Google Drive, OneDrive, and just to mention the few. There are so many. GoToMeeting, we're gonna be using this to collaborate, to schedule the classes and the study hall. Make sure that you are familiar with it. Go back the videos, make sure that you can mute yourself. I've had conversation I'm not supposed to hear, but and also it's a good thing just to not to interrupt the class settings, because we'll be recording this. And if you miss class, we'll be recording this information. We'll be posting that to Box. That way you can retrieve and go through the classes. Computer basics, I've shown you guys computer basics. It's a really important video. It was long, yes, but really beneficial. I've shown you guys what we'll be training. That's also important. Go through the material, go to Dr. Google, try to familiarize yourself with those materials and key terms. But we're gonna go through from scratch. Don't worry about it. Schedule, we know about the schedule. Mondays are free. We start on Saturdays and Sundays, and then we do have Tuesdays and Thursdays. They're gonna be evening time, Eastern time, for people to catch up if they miss something, they have questions, or they learn something cool they would like to share with their classmates. Tools we needed, add Visual Studio. We're gonna learn about Visual Studio a lot, and just add it in there. Okay, but SSIS is installed. It's an add-on of Visual Studio. Maybe that's what I forgot. But Visual Studio is a cool tool. It's used for programming, to develop app, to develop applications, web-based applications, and all good stuff. Or maybe even mobile apps too. You can use with Visual Studio. we're gonna go through that in a nutshell. And minimum requirement, how to check the software if it's to be running on your computer without any errors. I've shown you guys the hardware setup. If you need help with that, let me know. If you need help finding the computer, if you are based in USA, let me know. I know a lot of apps, they sell second-hand devices, which are really cheap and they're in good quality if you want to save more money. Last but not least, the installation, how to install without errors. Always remember to run as an administrator. So that's just the summary and conclusion. I will talk to you guys next time. Thank you very much. You have a wonderful